Boeing 747 Supertanker. The Boeing 747 Supertanker was the largest aerial firefighting aircraft ever to operate in the world and remains one of the most dramatic uses of a commercial airliner in emergency response. Developed initially by Evergreen International Aviation and later operated by Global Supertanker Services, this aircraft was designed to combat massive wildfires that smaller air tankers could not handle. Based on different 747 variants, including the 747-100, like 747-200, and finally the 747-400. The Supertanker could carry up to 19,600 U.S. gallons, 74,000 liters, of fire retardant or water in a pressurized internal tank system. Unlike traditional gravity drop aircraft, the Supertanker used a high-pressure spray system that allowed precise drops at varying altitudes and speeds. The most famous example, N744ST Spirit of John Muir, entered service in 2016 and fought devastating fires in California, Chile, Israel, and Bolivia. Certified by the FAA after years of development, it represented a new generation of next-level aerial firefighting. Despite its effectiveness, high operational costs and changing firefighting strategies led to its retirement in 2021 when it was converted back into a cargo aircraft. Even so, the 747 Supertanker remains a symbol of how aviation technology can be repurposed to protect lives, forests, and entire ecosystems. Boeing 747-8. The Boeing 747-8 is the final and most advanced evolution of the legendary 747 family, and stands as Boeing's largest aircraft ever built. Officially launched in 2005, the 747-8 was developed to compete with the Airbus A380 while incorporating modern technology from the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The aircraft features a stretched fuselage with an overall length of 225 feet, 2 inches, advanced aerodynamics with redesigned wings and raked wingtips, and a wingspan of 195 feet, 8 inches. Powered by highly efficient General Electric GEnx engines, the 747-8 delivers improved fuel efficiency, reduced noise, and better environmental performance compared to earlier models. The passenger variant, the 747-8 Intercontinental, typically accommodates around 366 passengers and has a maximum fuel capacity of approximately 53,985 U.S. gallons, enabling long-haul intercontinental operations with a range of up to 7,550 miles. The aircraft cruises at high subsonic speeds with a maximum speed of Mach 0.92. With an empty weight of 375,100 pounds and a corrected maximum takeoff weight of 833,000 pounds. The 747-8 remains one of the heaviest and most capable aircraft ever built by Boeing. The aircraft was produced in 2 main versions: the 747-8F freighter, optimized for heavy cargo operations, and the 747-8E Intercontinental, designed for long-haul passenger travel. While demand for very large passenger aircraft declined over time, the freighter version proved highly successful with airlines such as UPS, Cargolux, and Cathay Pacific Cargo. The final Boeing 747-8 was delivered in January 2023, bringing more than 5 decades of 747 production to a close and marking the end of one of aviation's most iconic eras. Boeing E-4 Nightwatch. The Boeing E-4, commonly known as Nightwatch or the Doomsday Plane, is one of the most secretive and strategically important aircraft ever built. Modified from the Boeing 747-200B, the E-4 serves as the National Airborne Operations Center, NAOC, for the United States government. Its primary mission is to ensure continuity of government during catastrophic events, including nuclear war. Operated by the U.S. Air Force, the E-4 is designed to survive nuclear electromagnetic pulses, EMP, and remain operational in extreme conditions. The aircraft contains advanced communications systems capable of contacting military forces worldwide, including nuclear submarines. Internally, it functions as a flying command center, complete with briefing rooms, workstations, and secure communications networks. The fleet consists of 4 E-4B aircraft, each costing hundreds of millions of dollars to build and maintain. With the ability to remain airborne for extended periods, especially with aerial refueling, the E-4 ensures that national leadership can command and control military forces even if ground infrastructure is destroyed. Few aircraft embody the intersection of aviation and global security as powerfully as the Boeing E-4. Boeing VC-25, AIR Force One. The Boeing VC-25 is one of the most recognizable aircraft in the world, best known by its call sign, Air Force One. Based on the Boeing 747-200B, the VC-25A serves as the primary presidential transport for the President of the United States. Only two aircraft exist, tail numbers 28,000 and 29,000, both heavily modified far beyond commercial 747 standards. Inside, the aircraft functions as a flying White House, featuring the President's private suite, offices, conference rooms, secure communication systems, and a fully equipped medical facility. The VC-25 can fly approximately 7,800 miles without refueling, carries over 70 passengers, and includes defensive countermeasures to protect against threats. It also features built-in air stairs, allowing the President to board without relying on airport infrastructure. Due to aging airframes, the U.S. Air Force has ordered replacements based on the Boeing 747-8, designated VC-25B. The VC-25 is not just a mode of transport, it is a powerful symbol of national leadership, diplomacy, and technological superiority. Boeing Dream 747-400 LCF. The Boeing Dream, officially known as the 747-400, Large Cargo Freighter, LCF, is one of the most visually distinctive aircraft ever built. Developed to support production of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the Dream was designed to transport oversized aircraft components, such as wings and fuselage sections, between manufacturing sites around the world. Compared to a standard 747-400, the Dream has a massively enlarged fuselage, providing 3 times the cargo volume of a normal 747 freighter. The aircraft features a hinged tail that swings open, allowing enormous components to be loaded efficiently. Though it carries relatively light cargo by weight, its value lies in volume and speed, enabling Boeing to drastically reduce supply chain timelines. Operated primarily by Atlas Air, the Dream plays a crucial behind-the-scenes role in modern aircraft manufacturing. Without it, the global production system of the 787 Dreamliner would not be possible at its current scale. Boeing 747 SP Special Performance. The Boeing 747 SP was a bold and unconventional experiment designed to achieve extreme long-range performance. Shortened by nearly 47 feet compared to the original 747, the SP featured a smaller fuselage, enlarged tail surfaces, and optimized aerodynamics. These changes allowed it to fly higher and farther than any other subsonic passenger aircraft of its time, with a service ceiling of 45,100 feet. First introduced in 1976, the 747 SP was created to serve ultra-long-haul routes such as New York to Tehran. While technically impressive, the aircraft suffered from limited capacity, high costs, and changing market conditions. Only 45 units were ever built. Despite its commercial struggles, the SP found new life in special roles, including VIP transport and scientific research. One SP was converted into SOFIA, a flying infrared observatory used by NASA. The 747 SP remains a fascinating example of performance-driven aircraft design. Boeing YAL-1 Airborne Laser. The Boeing YAL-1 was one of the most ambitious military aviation experiments ever undertaken. Based on a Boeing 747-400F, the aircraft was equipped with a megawatt-class chemical oxygen iodine laser, COIL, designed to destroy ballistic missiles during their boost phase. Developed by Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and Lockheed Martin, the YAL-1 represented a flying missile defense platform. Its most distinctive feature was a massive laser turret mounted in the aircraft's nose. After years of testing, the system successfully destroyed test missiles in 2010, proving the concept was technically viable. However, high costs, logistical challenges, and shifting defense priorities led to the program's cancellation in 2011. The aircraft made its final flight in 2012 and was later dismantled. Although it never became operational, the YAL-1 demonstrated the extreme limits of what could be achieved using the Boeing 747 platform. Shuttle Carrier Aircraft, SCA. The Shuttle Carrier Aircraft were two modified Boeing 747s used by NASA to transport Space Shuttle orbiters across the United States and beyond. One aircraft was a 747-100, while the other was a 747-100SR, both extensively modified to carry shuttles mounted on their backs. These aircraft played a critical role in the Space Shuttle program, ferrying orbiters from landing sites such as Edwards Air Force Base back to Kennedy Space Center. Structural reinforcements, mounting struts, and additional vertical stabilizers were added to ensure safe flight with the massive orbiter attached. The Shuttle Carrier Aircraft also played a vital role in the approach and landing tests of the Space Shuttle Enterprise in 1977. Though their range and speed were greatly reduced when carrying a shuttle, the SCAs became an enduring symbol of American space exploration. Both aircraft are now retired and preserved as historic artifacts. These 8 Boeing aircraft demonstrate the incredible versatility of aerospace engineering. From firefighting and presidential transport to space missions and national defense, Boeing has continuously adapted its designs to meet extraordinary challenges. Each aircraft tells a story of innovation, ambition, and problem-solving. Together, they highlight how a single platform, especially the Boeing 747, can evolve into many specialized forms, shaping aviation history across industries and generations. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative and exciting aviation content. Let us know in the comments which Boeing 747 model you found the most interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.